Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about some things that you should keep in mind before one day of your examination. Since most of you guys have your examination in the next 5 days and a lot of you have asked me about the final day strategy, so here I am with a video where I'll be talking about all the things that you should keep in mind before one day of your examination. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. The first thing that I'll be talking about in this video is to avoid any last minute study. I can tell this from my experience that being confident on the final day before exam adds up so much value to your preparation. Do not go through any new concept or formula that you haven't solved before. Instead, go through the weak points or the formulas that you have highlighted during your analysis of mock tests. Take a glance to the lighter chapters like chemical bonding, modern physics, etc. This will help you remember all the basic formulas before the final day. Do not take stress before the final day because that can actually harm your final day performance. Just revise the light chapters and the basic formulas and don't visit any new concept or chapter. Keep full confidence on yourself and I'm sure that you will easily be able to do it. The second point that I would like to talk about is to eat healthy food. It is really important to eat healthy food and protein-rich food to increase your mental awareness. Avoid eating junk food or fast food and also avoid gulping down your food at once. Make sure that you're not feeling uncomfortable before the examination night. If you avoid eating your clean home-cooked food or gulp down your food at once, it could lead to some health issues. So in order to avoid all this, just make sure you are having some basic and healthy food at your home. Also, make it a point to stay hydrated. It will help you a lot. Now, coming to the third point. Now, the third point is to sleep as early as possible. Just like eating your light home-cooked food, it is also important to sleep as early as possible. Take power naps in the daytime if you feel very tired from the hectic study schedule. If you face any problem in sleeping early because of your late night study habits, then make sure that you are not stressing out because of this. I remember that I could not sleep till 2 or 3 in the morning because I was really stressed about the final exam. So just make sure that you do not stress at this point of time and just stay calm. In order to sleep early, make sure you are not watching any TV shows, movies or doing any other activity which makes you feel tired. It is very important to have a good night's sleep before the night of your examination. Now, coming to the fourth point is to know location of your examination center. Always make sure that you know the location of your examination center. Otherwise, you might end up wasting a lot of your time in looking up for the examination center. Try to visit the exam center 1 or 2 days prior to the examination. You must be aware of the time and distance of your journey to the examination center beforehand. Now, coming to the last point is to keep all your documents ready. Make sure that you are carrying your admit card and all the necessary documents to the examination center in order to avoid any last minute hassle. This could prevent a lot of stress and last minute stress can also degrade your performance. So make sure that you keep your admit card and all the necessary documents handy. Also, a lot of students had asked me about the rough sheets that will be given in the final exam. So yes, it is true that the number of rough sheets that are provided in BITSAT exam are quite less, but you'll have to make with it. So make sure that you save space in your paper from the starting of the examination. So guys, that was it for today's video. With this, we come to the end of BITSAT series. I wish you guys all the best for your examination. I'm sure that if you have put in your consistent efforts, you will do really great in the examination. If you like this video, do give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.